Send.
Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Depends on your time. I'm sending this message to Mama Sharon, late Sharon Pame, Madam 50 Cent of Radio Emilia. Mama, Usalobu akubole lakodudu. Eni ka oya kesugbe. Eyimi du ya fe. Usalobu anogewa, gbonori ya tinu. Nori giodunu. Nori ya deba wede, nori ya zengbe no wiwe na. May God grant you the strength, the wisdom, the courage to carry on with this expensive loss of yours. And may God grant you long life and good health to take care of the children she left behind for you. Mama, I dey feel your pain. Wallahi. Ryoji, Mama. And I want to use this mist to drop message to some people online, social media people. Look at the way every one of you is getting up every day, judging the death. One message to you all. Emeya fen watabegbe Sharon aga mata. Owa amawa de amawa. Emeya fen watabegbe Sharon na mata. Wa won wa ya so balo jujegbe. Ene Sharon mi egbe wa kiami. Eniye Sharon mi egbe wa kiami. Eniye Sharon mi egbe wa kiami. You almost have taste of this